The past tense. Now, past tense refers to the period that was completed in the past. Okay, and we have three forms of past tense. First, let us do this exercise. Underline the verbs that are in the form of past tense. Sudhir, Asha, and Samar are best friends. The three friends, also lovingly known as three musketeers, are always up to some prank or other. Just the last week, got together. Got. Then Manish, the class bully, a well-deserved lesson they did actually put him in the way of any harm, but warned could not be repeated. Just yesterday, the three of them played a prank on Mr. Mahesh, our school storekeeper. They told him that the children had been complaining about his behavior to the principal, and the latter had called him to the office. Of course, Mr. Mahesh had a hearty laugh with the principal over this once the truth came to light. Okay. Now, simple past. Subject plus past tense form of the verb means second form of the verb. I played. Past continuous. Subject plus was were plus ing form of the verb. I was playing. Past perfect. Subject plus had plus participle form. That means third form of the verb. I had played. The simple past tense in English has a set of unique functions talking of things that happened and were completed in the past. That means those things that happened and they were completed in the past. She was absent yesterday. Gavya failed the test. Talking of things that took place over a period of time in the past. That means in a particular period of time, things that used to take place, we use simple past tense. They stayed here earlier. That means at a particular period of time, they were staying. Okay. Rahul enjoyed the attention at home. At particular period of time, the time he was at home, he enjoyed the attention. Talking about past habits. She ate excess junk food till 2005. She used to it, but now she is not. Anupama often missed him. Complete the paragraph from the adventures using simple past forms. Tom appeared. He surveyed, left, settled, seemed, dipped, passed, repeated, did, compared, sat. Simple. The past continuous also serves multiple functions. Talking of actions that were going on at some time in the past. That means some actions that were continuing in the past time. The bells were ringing loudly. She was teaching us at that time. Talking of actions that continued for some time in the past. That means for a particular period of time, those actions were continued. The audience was clapping hard for Kunal. She was laughing at the joke. That means that particular period of the joke was cracked, she was laughing. Talking of action that was repeated frequently in the past. As a student girl, Giri was always forgetting things. She used to forget things. Mrs. D'Souza was frequently helping the families secretly. Okay. The baby was sleeping when Salma came home. My friend was talking on the phone when her father walked in. Now, simple past and past continuous tense are used together when two actions in the past happened and if one of them happened while the other was still going on. For example, I am studying and somebody came, right? So, two actions happened at the same time. The older action is expressed in past continuous tense. That means the action that was already happening, past continuous tense, and the newer one in simple past tense. The tense and time are not the same thing. We can use forms of present tense to indicate a past time. We often do that. Robin designed the school emblem. Robin has designed the school emblem. See, both sentences make sense, but we are using different tenses. Use simple past to express an action that took place at a certain time in the past. Use present perfect to express an action that has just already or not yet taken place. Robin has already designed, has just designed, has not designed. Okay. When we use simple past tense, we use words like yesterday, ago, the other day, last, and so on. These words are a clue when to know simple past tense has to be used. When we use present perfect tense, we use words like just, already, now, until, not yet, so far, recently, and so on. These things have to be kept in mind so as to know when we have to use the simple past tense and when we have to use the present perfect tense. The past perfect tense has these uses, talking of actions that were completed before a certain moment in the past. For example, there was a moment, we use past perfect when the action was completed before that moment. Okay, see, sunset was a moment, but he had finished cooking before sunset, right? Father had finished the cooking food by sunset. Rohit had already done the deed. Talking of actions that were completed before another action in the past, later action being in the past simple tense. This has to be learned. That means when two actions have been done in the past, right? So we will be using past perfect and simple past. How? The train had already started when we reached the station. This thing happened before this, right? The train already started when we reached the station. So the thing that was happened before the other action, past perfect, and the other action was in simple past. I had watered the plants before Mayank came home. That means Mayank came home later, but I had watered it already. Talking about some condition that could not be met. If he had won the match, he would have won the prize. This is some hypothetical condition. Wish something. Biju had hoped that there would be fish curry for dinner. I am attaching 2 slides here where you can pause the video and attempt the exercise, and in the next slide you will get the answers. So that would be better, so as to give you a clear concept about the past tense.